What's up everyone, my name is Jon Venus. Today I'm joined by my good friends Brian Turner and Derek Simnett. And today we're gonna go through what's in our fridge in a completely vegan household. This is how it looks like. Pretty organized right now. It doesn't look like that most of the time. Let me just start off by going through the bread because we have quite a bit of bread here. I don't really eat that much bread unless, you know, we're at a restaurant and, you know, have like a sandwich or something. But everyone else does love the gluten in here, right? So yeah, this is just a low sodium Ezekiel bread. And then we have a bunch of different bagels in there.
These ones here, they're like cinnamon raisin bagels. So good, toasted up with like some peanut butter. Maybe some hemp seeds or something.
That's what you made earlier, right?
Yeah.
Smelled really good. What you can have on the bagel as well as things like this. So we got a hummus here. Hummus dip is always good. We got some Kyle cream cheese and then some other cream cheeses here as well. So we got the Miyokos, which is, you know, a very delicious cream cheese. I've never had it before. And I wouldn't say it tastes exactly like dairy cheese, but it has a lot of flavor, which a lot of other dairy cheeses or, you know, non-dairy cheeses lack, in my opinion. And then we also have vegan butter here chilling at the back, actually. Some avocado oil butter. We don't really use this too much. Then we have a bunch of more hummus. Is this all hummus, guys? Who's eating all this hummus? Yeah, hummus is always a go-to for any vegan household, in my opinion. We have a little bit of these, you know, tortillas laying around. We can smash through those pretty easily. What do you put in tortillas?
Little beans, little tempeh, little hummus, maybe a little ranch or a little hot sauce, and then just a bunch of like little, you know, like purple cabbage or whatever sort of greens you can sneak in there.
So speaking of greens, we have a bunch of greens laying around here as well. I just like to make salad bowls and try to just get in, like, you know, the leafy greens that way, because I'm not a big fan of throwing a lot of leafy greens into my smoothie personally. So I do enjoy making a salad bowl every single day. Been slacking on that, I gotta admit. Been replacing that with ice cream lately, but you know, that's my goal, just getting in the greens.
What do we got?
First, tell them who you are, because we haven't even
okay, I'm Derek from Simnett Nutrition. I also have a YouTube channel, Instagram, and all that as well. So yeah, certified holistic nutritionist, and just do like lots of recipes and stuff on my channel, a little bit of calisthenics and whatnot. So yeah, moving along here, we've got some tempeh. This smoky tempeh is amazing if you've got like a meat eater in the house or something like that, you want to like really impress. Smoked tempeh, sometimes they call it tempeh bacon. It's called fakin' bacon on there as well. It's really good, amazing. You can put it in the place of bacon and just saute it up a little bit. Oh, some tofurkey. Plant-based original sauces. I didn't see this in here, but yeah, sausage is always good. You could chop it up, put it in a stir fry. I made that jambalaya the other night.
I got this. We put them on top of our pizza.
Ah, for putting on top of pizza as well. And we've got some tofu here. Firm tofu. If you're not a huge fan of tofu, I'd recommend starting with firm. And this is from Trader Joe's, and this is super firm tofu. Firmest I've ever felt. Crystal and I absolutely love these. Crystal's actually the one holding the camera right now, my girlfriend. But she's we both use these a lot in like salads. These are pre-made lentils, super high in iron, good source of protein. And yeah, I find when they're already done like this, they're really easy to digest, just so easy to cook up. And then yeah, let's throw it over to Brian, because I see he's got a little item on that shelf
a little
there.
burrito down there.
Brian, go for it.
Oh yeah, so I'm Brian, longtime friend with Jon Venus, friends before we went vegan similar times. He went first and inspired me to go vegan. Yeah. We do similar thing, fitness, bodybuilding, recipes, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, come check me out. So yeah, this is a little sushi burrito. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, got like avocado, mushrooms, carrots on the inside. I just didn't finish it last night. Thought it would be good for later today. Hopefully the avocado's not disgusting. Then we got some different fruits down here. We got berries. We've also got frozen berries down in the freezer. Looks like we have a big bowl of jalapenos. I love jalapenos because I like things spicy, so I cut them up.
I've never had jalapenos like this before, like fresh ones.
How do you? Oh, you in like the pickled jar stuff?
Yeah, always pickled. Yeah, yeah. I've never tried it before.
Yo,
Gotta eat it right now, one right now.
Dude,
isn't that like super hot?
No, they're not hot.
No. I mean, if you eat the seeds. Let's see.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. That's a soy milk or something?
Get it?
Where's the milk? Who eats it like that? Do you guys eat it like this?
Yeah, I eat it with the seeds.
Really?
Yeah, put it in my stir fries.
Whoa.
Beast.
But I like the spice.
Carry on.
Carry on. That sideshow's over. So then down here we have our like fresh produce. Everyone kind of like picks at these and throws them in their stir fry or whatever thing they're making. We got the red cabbage. Everyone's going pretty hard with the red cabbage lately.
Yes.
I personally, my favorite vegetable in the world is broccoli. So we've got some broccoli down here. Looks like we have some bell peppers that we need to use pretty soon. Starting to get a little bit raunch. Baby carrots. And then on the other side, We have some apples. These are, Simnett's been using these, cutting them up like really thin and then throwing them into salads, which I don't usually put sweet things in my salad, but it's like a cool little pop in between all the saltiness. Got lemons, which I'm gonna use for like a pasta cream sauce that I'm gonna make. Got an avocado down here. Got some baby tomatoes, which are always great for, both these things are great for throwing into salads as well. And then we have a side panel of sauces. Does anyone want to go through this?
It's just like all the basic sauces that every single vegan household has. Like, so tahini is like the king of all sauces in my opinion. It's ground up sesame seeds. Just an amazing base to make all kinds of homemade sauces as well. And we got some nut butters. They're actually empty. I don't know why they're in the fridge, but obviously no salt, no preservatives, no conservatives, no liberals. So here we have different kind of hot sauces. This also took me by surprise. Super spicy, crazy. Is that yours, Brian?
No, I've never heard of that.
No, we bought it. Yeah, we got it at Whole Foods. We liked it because it was like tahini based.
Right.
But yeah, it's just way too spicy for, you know.
Exactly. So the thing that we kind of like look out for when it comes to sauces is just not getting something that is loaded with sugar, salt, and oils. So some of these sauces might have a small amount of oil or a small amount of salt, but we try to go for the healthier version, right? So these are kind of like some of the staples that we've been kind of consuming in the household from Trader Joe's. And then we have more of the indulgent kind of sauces and dressings. This is the blue cheese from Follow Your Heart. The ranch one that is right here is amazing as well. Definitely goes super well with almost anything. Definitely not the healthiest, that one.
But if it helps you eat like the healthy stuff too.
Exactly.
If you're just like not gonna eat a salad, I think like having a salad with a bit of that dressing on it is better than like no salad at all.
Last bit of sauces we have, I don't even know, mango sauce. Crystal, you got this, right?
Mm-hmm. It is so good.
Yeah, what do you put this on? Is it stir fries and savory food, or?
I put it on everything.
Okay, just everything. But
yeah, it's from Trader Joe's. It's I think it's a newer item of theirs, and it's a very, it says mango sauce, but it's very curry-like, and it's got a really pungent curry taste. So if you're in the States and you see this, yeah, definitely try it out. It's unbelievable.
And then we have things like liquid aminos, one of the key items in my life. Basically, I use this on everything, but especially when I'm making bacon from tempeh. I'll slice up the tempeh into small strips, add liquid aminos, and pop them in the air fryer, and they come out so good. Then we have some boring things like tomato sauces and ketchup. You guys already know what that is. Got some Dijon mustard and some teriyaki sauce.
Over here, we have my favorite thing in the world, sparkling waters. Now usually, I make sparkling water with soda streams, but I didn't want to bring my soda stream all the way up to LA. So we got LaCroix here, and they are amazing. So good. It's literally just water, and if you have an addiction to like sodas or diet sodas, you want to get kind of away from like the artificial sweeteners and stuff. And then we got ginger ale here because I had food poisoning the other day, and Simnett was nice enough, him and his girlfriend got me some ginger stuff, so that was really nice of them. Veggie broth, because that's always essential for making soups, chowders, and pretty much everything. And then we have one of 3 different soy milks. We have 2 more in there because we all go hard on the soy milk. Some people make their smoothies out of water, and it's like, that's booty for me. You've got to have soy milk and make it much more creamy.
What about your testosterone, bro?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what about that?
I don't know, I had 45 pounds of soy in 1 month.
Yeah.
I had my blood tested before and after, and my testosterone went up. Flaxseed, hemp hearts, these are great like sources of omega-3s that we put into our like smoothies, bowls, and really like salads and everything.
That's pretty much it for the fridge, but we figured why not include the freezer.
On this side here, we have a bunch of like frozen vegetables. Of course, like fresh is always best, but again, it's great to just like consume them in whatever way that you're going to. So it's just really nice to have these, and with so many people eating in the house, sometimes it's just nice to be able to throw like a bag or 2 of these into stir fry or something like that. We've got some frozen green peas. This is like a staple in my house. I add this to like all of my stir fries. If I make mashed potatoes, sometimes I even put them into my smoothies as well. Really, really good source of protein and iron and a bunch of other stuff. This is really cool. We don't have much of this stuff in Canada. We also don't have Trader Joe's in Canada, so we've been taking advantage of these kind of more convenience items while we're here. And yeah, this is just like a frozen medley of green garbanzo beans, red and green lentils. We have some edamame shells here. This is another really, really great source of protein. You know, if you don't want to have tofu or tempeh, and you want to have the whole version of soy, this is definitely what you should have. Yeah, really good in stir fries, and you could just like, you know, have them on their own, just saute them up with a little salt and pepper.
Top section is the part where people will come and say, that's super unhealthy, but you know what? Sometimes you have to have a little bit of balance in your life. So we have our mock meats and whatnot. So one of my this is what basically got me to go vegan is Gardein. They have these orange chicken bites. They're so good. And then me and Sammy, my girlfriend, really love these Gardein products. It's the meatless meatballs. Throw those in your pasta, just levels it up like 20 levels. This is my all-time favorite meat replacement of all time. These are Quorn chicken pieces. Not all Quorn products are vegan, but this one is, and they are like, I don't know, they just have the perfect flavor and they have really good macros. Meatless grounds, chicken fillet type things. We've got a bunch of gravy, which is always good to throw in things when you're kind of lazy about making a sauce. Turkey cutlets. I got some Beyond patties, which I never really get, but I wanted to get these in case I want to throw them on a pizza at some point. We got some black bean replacements. I've got my frozen burritos in here. So Sweet Earth has this awesome Big Sur breakfast burrito. It's basically like a tofu scramble burrito. And then this is just Whole Foods. They just have a plain bean and rice burrito.
This is basically what we use in smoothies every single day. So we have these mixed berries right here. Very easy way to increase the amount of vitamins and antioxidants that you get into your diet. And then we have a single half-eaten banana ice cream right here. So this is the one that we give Noah. It's basically just bananas, strawberries, and a little bit of coconut milk. Anyways guys, this was a lot of fun. I hope it was helpful and useful for you guys to see what a vegan household that is into health and fitness and bodybuilding has in their fridge. If you guys don't follow my good friends Brian Turner and Derek Simnett, definitely check out the link in the description box. Let us know what you thought about this video. Let us know what you want to see next. So yeah guys, thank you so much and we'll see you very soon. Peace out.
Do you want to do this side or?
Yeah, we could do like this as well.
This would be your, obviously that's your side.
Oh my god.
They're fake, they're fake.